You think some teabag can compete with you? You think he's got one tiny fraction of your brains, your looks, your at worst poetic, I'm so pathetic that I always have found it best, instead of getting them off my chest, to let them rest, unexpressed. I hate parading my serenading, and I'll probably miss the bar. So if this ditty is not so pretty, at least it'll tell you how great you are. You're the top, you're the Coliseum, you're the top, you're the Elysium. You're a melody from a symphony myself. You're another one, a Shakespeare soldier, Mickey Mouse. You're the night, you're the Tower of Pisa. You're the smile on the Mona Lisa. I'm a worthless check, a chocolate rank of love, but maybe I'm alive in the top.
Words poetic or not pathetic. On the other hand, babe, you shine. I feel under every line, a thrill divine down my spine. With humans like this, and humans may think this song is bad, but I got emotion, I'm second to the notion. This is what I'm going to add.